Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add friends on GoWish. It's really easy to add your friends on GoWish, so let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your GoWish application and also make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into the account, tap on the two human icons located at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the Friends tab. You can go ahead and invite your friend to join into GoWish, or if you want to manually find your friend, you can use this search box at the bottom. Type in your friend's name in the search box and search. Once you find the list, go and look for your friend you'd like to add and simply tap the add button at the right hand corner. Once you tap on add, you'll be able to send a friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, you will be able to add them on your GoWish account. You can also invite your friends to join into GoWish. Go and tap the find button right next to invite your friends, and then you can also go ahead and sync in your mobile phone's contact and send one of your friend an invitation link. Once you find a friend you'd like to invite to the platform, tap the invite button right next to the contact, and you can go ahead and tap on the SMS option. Use the SMS application to send in an invitation to one of your friends. Once your friend accepts your invitation and join in with your invitation link, you will be able to add them on your friend list. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.